In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable margin investing on Robinhood using their website. If you've ever wondered how to take advantage of the extra buying power that margin investing provides, you're in the right place. Before we get started, it's important to understand that margin investing involves borrowing money from the broker to purchase additional securities, which can amplify both gains and losses. Make sure you're comfortable with the risks before proceeding. Let's begin by logging into your Robinhood account on the Robinhood website. Open your preferred internet browser, head to robinhood.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can view your portfolio and other important information. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on this to open a new menu. From this menu, select Investing. This will take you to your investment settings, where you can manage different features and tools related to your account. As you scroll through your investing settings, keep an eye out for the section called Margin Investing. This is where you can unlock additional buying power through margin. When you find Margin Investing, you'll notice an option to enable or activate this feature. Click on Enable Margin Investing to get started with the application process. Now, you'll be prompted to complete a short application. Robinhood will ask you a few questions to assess your eligibility. These questions typically relate to your investment experience, income, and financial situation. It's important to answer these questions honestly, as they help Robinhood determine if margin investing is appropriate for you. Once you've filled out the application, submit it for review. At this stage, Robinhood's team will review your responses and make sure you meet the requirements for margin investing. Approval times can vary, but you'll usually receive a notification within a short period, letting you know if your application has been accepted. After you've been approved and margin investing is enabled on your account, you'll notice some changes the next time you go to place a trade. When you're buying securities, you'll now see margin as an option alongside your available buying power. This indicates that you have the ability to borrow funds to purchase stocks, ETFs, or other eligible securities. And that's it. You're all set to start using margin on Robinhood. Just remember to keep a close eye on your investments whenever you're using borrowed money, as the risks and rewards are both higher. Make sure to review all the rules and margin requirements so you can make informed decisions as you navigate this new feature. Thanks for watching and happy investing.